Let's draw a roast chicken. First, draw a slightly flat oval shape for the plate. Next, on top of the plate, draw several small half circles in a row. Then, above those decorations, draw a big half circle shape. This will be the body of the roast chicken. On the upper right side of the chicken's body, draw a chicken drumstick. Make the meat with a large oval-like shape connected to the chicken's body, then draw a small oval for the bone. Then, draw some steam lines above the chicken to show it's hot. Next, erase any unnecessary lines. Let's start coloring. Color the plate with blue. Then, color the decorations on the plate with green and pink. Next, color the chicken with orange, and the bone with cream.